Most people think wealth is about how much you earn. But what if I told you it's more about how you behave? This provocative question lies at the heart of the Psychology of Money asterisk by Morgan Housel, a book that delves into the intricate relationship between money, emotions, and human behavior. It's not just a finance book. It's a life lesson wrapped in stories, research, and practical insights about how we perceive, earn, and use money. Here, I'll break down the most important lessons from the book that can serve as a guide to a healthier financial mindset, perfect for a 5-minute summary or a deep dive into its 3,000-word essence. The emotional side of money. One of the central ideas of the book is that financial decisions are not purely logical. Instead, they are heavily influenced by emotions, past experiences, and unique life circumstances. Housel emphasizes that money means different things to different people. For someone who grew up in poverty, money might symbolize security, while for someone from an affluent background, it could represent freedom or power. Understanding this subjective relationship with money is crucial to making better financial decisions. The power of compounding. Albert Einstein once called compounding the eighth wonder of the world, and Housel's book reiterates its importance. One of the most famous examples he gives is the story of Warren Buffett. Most people admire Buffett's investment genius, but what's often overlooked is that his wealth is largely a result of starting early and staying consistent. Buffett began investing at the age of 10 and let compounding work its magic over decades. The takeaway? Start investing early, remain patient, and let time do the heavy lifting. Live below your means. Housel stresses the importance of living below your means, a principle that is deceptively simple yet incredibly powerful. Financial freedom doesn't come from earning more money, but from spending less and saving consistently. Many people fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation as their income grows, so do their expenses. This creates a vicious cycle where financial stress persists regardless of income level. The antidote is cultivating a mindset of contentment and focusing on what truly matters. Risk and luck. One of the most refreshing perspectives in the psychology of money is Housel's discussion on risk and luck. Success in life and finance is rarely a straight line. It's often influenced by factors outside our control. For example, Bill Gates became one of the world's richest men partly because he attended one of the only schools in the U.S. with access to a computer at the time. Similarly, failures can result from bad luck rather than poor decisions. Acknowledging this helps us stay humble and prepares us to navigate uncertainty with resilience. Knowing when you have enough. Housel's concept of enough is a powerful antidote to greed. Many financial disasters, from the collapse of companies to personal bankruptcies, stem from people taking unnecessary risks in pursuit of more. The book stresses the importance of recognizing when you have enough to live comfortably and happily. Constantly chasing more can lead to stress, dissatisfaction, and poor decisions. Instead, finding contentment with enough fosters stability and peace of mind. The long game. Another key lesson is the importance of thinking long-term. Housel highlights that wealth is not just about high returns, it's about sustained returns over decades. Building wealth requires patience and the ability to delay gratification. In a world driven by instant results and short-term rewards, maintaining a long-term perspective can be a superpower. This mindset not only applies to finances, but also to other areas of life, such as relationships and personal growth. Avoiding comparison. In today's age of social media, where everyone's successes are on display, it's easy to fall into the trap of comparison. Housel warns against this, as it can lead to unnecessary spending, debt, and dissatisfaction. Instead of competing with others, the book encourages defining your own version of financial happiness based on personal goals and values. True wealth is the ability to wake up every day with the freedom to do what you want, not keeping up with others' lifestyles. The role of behavior in financial success. While technical knowledge about investing and saving is essential, Housel argues that behavior plays a far greater role in achieving financial success. Traits like humility, patience, and self-control are more important than understanding complex financial formulas. For example, sticking to a savings plan or resisting the urge to sell investments during a market downturn requires behavioral discipline more than technical expertise. Practical takeaways for everyday life. 1. Start early. The earlier you begin saving and investing, the more time you give compounding to work in your favor. Even small contributions can grow into significant wealth over time, too. Save consistently. Saving isn't just about building wealth. It's about creating options and reducing financial stress. 3. Expect the unexpected. Build an emergency fund and prepare for uncertainties. Life rarely goes as planned, and financial resilience can make a huge difference. Invest for the long term. Avoid the temptation to time the market or chase quick profits. Instead, focus on a diversified portfolio and stick to your strategy. 5. Focus on what you can control. ***. You can't control market movements or the economy, but you can control your spending, saving, and investing habits. The psychological aspect of Wealth Housel's book isn't just about money. It's about the psychology behind our decisions. He reminds readers that wealth isn't measured by flashy cars or expensive houses, but by the ability to live life on your terms. Financial independence, not material possessions, is the ultimate goal. By understanding the emotional drivers of financial behavior, we can make smarter, more meaningful decisions. Conclusion: The Psychology of Money is more than just a finance book. It's a guide to living a more intentional and fulfilling life. It teaches us that financial success is not about how much we earn, but how we manage our money and emotions. By understanding concepts like compounding, humility, risk, and knowing when enough is enough, we can build wealth that lasts and find contentment in the process. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, these timeless lessons can reshape your approach to money and lead to a richer life both financially and emotionally.